They say if you want to sink, go to.
Is it over?
Yeah. If you want to sink, go to Meredith. If you want to sink, go to Peace.
Is it over? Okay, is it over? I want it to be over.